Want to know exactly where you took its picture or video? The Galaxy S25 Ultra has a location text feature that stores the shooting location right inside your media files. Here's how to turn it on and see it in action. First, open Camera app. Tap the quick control icon. Then tap the settings icon. Scroll down the screen. And then turn on location text. To see how it works, go back to your camera. Take a photo or record a video as usual. Then tap the thumbnail to open it. Swipe up on it. And you will see the location where it was taken. With this feature, now your photos and videos will always carry the place they were captured. It's perfect for trips, events, or just remembering special moments. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.